Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are in Hotel Universal Port Vita, and it is, as you guessed it, close to Universal Studios Japan, and I'll give you a little bit more information on that in a moment. But this is an incredible hotel. We're doing kind of a staycation because we're staying in Osaka for a month, but this will be fun to stay in a hotel for a night. It's still here in Osaka, and it's actually really only took us about 30-minute train ride to get here from our Airbnb, but we thought we'd have a fun little trip. So let's start out. First of all, look at this. Start out here at the door. I'm going to take off my shoes, and slippers are already here waiting for me. Yay! We'll keep this carpet nice and clean and no gunk on it. All right, we're going to start in here. This is the bathroom, and it's divided up, it looks like, into 3 sections. So you've got your sink area here, which, like, oh my goodness, look at how big this is. Wow. Plenty of towels, and if you have kids with you, you got a little stool down here for kiddos to use. And then in here, let's see what's in here. Commode. Good, goes up and down on its own, or you can hit the buttons here. We finally, after 2.5 weeks in Japan, got a good hold of the buttons here, so you are going to have that panel. It does seem to have the sensors, so that will cue it as to when to open and close. So that is really quite nice. And then over here, this must be the shower. Ooh, yes. Wow. Look at this. This is a really nice shower. Now, I've learned that usually you wash off before you get into the tub area, so that's how come this whole area is all a wet area. So you can shower on this side, or you can shower and then take a bath. You've got all your amenities here. Look at how huge these are, holy moly. And you can even use these to scoop that water on, and there's even bubble bath. I'm pretty sure that we're each gonna take a turn with these. There's 2 of them in there. That seems really nice. This is the gorgeous bathroom. Oh, there's also, if you get a little bit wet at the park, a little clothing line here, pull across, put there, and you're good to go. All right, let's look at the rest of the room. So let's see. I do love this. They always include these wonderful little room fresheners and air spray. And this is kind of the closet area, so anything you would have to hang you could put here. And then you got a nice full-length mirror over here. And we get into the room. Look at this room, it's so nice. I love the colors and kind of the vibe of it. Let's see what else we've got here. You've got your little storage area down here. It looks like you can get laundry sent out if you're gonna be here for a while. Really nice looking Sharp Aquos TV. That's gonna be a great picture on that if we were gonna watch TV. Looks like a humidifier of some sort. So you can have that. And then all your little accessories here. The phone, looks like we've got some outlets here, so that'll be good because we'll need to charge some things up. And then we've got some water that's included. Now when we checked in, they gave us these little towels to keep, and they are so cute. The hotel on the outside has Minions motif paintings and stuff, so let's see what this is. Oh, it's a towel to keep you nice and cool. You wet this, put it around your neck at the park, you're good to go. Really nice. So this was included. They gave us these when we checked in. And then also amenities. A lot of the hotels here in Japan give you amenities like toothbrush and hairbrush and razors, Q-tips, things like that. They have those downstairs, and so you get those before you come up to the room. They do have, obviously, the shampoo and stuff like that already here, but this stuff you can get down there. Then in here we've got a kettle. It looks like a little ice bucket, coffee, which I will most definitely be using in the morning. And then it looks like over here we have a fridge. Fantastic. Put some stuff in there if you wanted to bring some things. Look at this nice chair, relaxing area. Show you out the view in a minute. And then look at this. Okay, another Japanese hotel, another set of pajamas. This is nice monogrammed Hotel Universal Port Vita. So we've got some nice PJs. And we've got 2 beds. I guess we could push them together if we want. Or just sleep like that. So let's see what's up at the bed. So it looks like both beds have the same thing. You've got a light, and then you've got 2 outlets and a USB. So that's good. And then down here, we've got entrance light, room light, and then the night light, which I'm assuming is this. Yeah, perfect. Okay, and then let's take a look at the crowning jewel of the room. Now, we didn't ask for this room. They just gave us this room when we checked in, but this is the train station right down here where that big covering is, where we got here on that train down there on this platform on this side, came up into City Walk, and then walked right down the side of this building, this hotel here, the Kehan, and then crossed the street easily right over here to the hotel. So that's how close it is. And as you can see, the park is literally right there. I'm watching people on that roller coaster. I don't know which one it is, but it looks like they're having a blast. We could hear them when we were crossing the street. We could hear them having the time of their lives. So that's pretty cool. So we're gonna head over there here in a few minutes and see what all there is to see over there. We're gonna have some videos for you from the park as well. So I'll have that for you too, video from over there, but enjoy this video. And I'll show you some of the rest of the hotel in the Universal video. When we leave, I'll record ourselves going out that way. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content from Asia. Any questions, leave those for me in the comments, and we'll see you next time.